Guys, welcome to the second video of the financial modeling series. So we are going to discuss about the FNB model and how to make it on the priority. Let's say in the last video we discussed about the IS drivers, and in this video we are going to discuss about like IS driver, TM working, and another schedules of the this financial model. So let me introduce that. It's a revenue sheet, and then we go to the IS. So it's income statement and what are the items including in this. So first one is the net revenue. So this is starting from the April 20 to the projected till the March 25. Then we have the other income. So this is the other incomes. And then we have the COGS. So it's a COGS driver for the particular company. And then we have the sales and salaries and wages. And then it's the incentives and sales and marketing expense, indirect expense and logistic cost. After that, we'll get the EBITDA numbers. Like these are the EBITDA number for the particular company, and then this is the adjusted EBITDA. Let's say what are the adjusted EBITDA and how to calculate that. So adjusted EBITDA, it's a depreciation period, and then we have the adjusted EBIT. So these are the different expenses for that. Let's say these are the adjusted EBIT for that, and then we have the interest expenses are also there. So these are the interest expenses for the particular company. Then we have the adjusted PBT, it's a profit before tax, and then we have the PAT margins, or the adjusted PAT margins are there. So it's accumulated loss, and some things are there. Then we have the common size statement for this. It's a net revenue, so it's increasing by the 50%, 38%. So this is the decreasing rate in the is the percentage of revenues there. Then we have the other income, and then we have the costs. It's a cost percentage of the total revenue. Then we have the salaries and wages. So it's a growth of that, incentives and other expenses. So this is what. Then we go into the IS for then we get into the balance sheet. So what are the items in the balance sheet and how to project that. Before that, we will go to the different scenarios of the particular selection. So let me take about that the TM working for that particular items. So let me introduce that. It's a platform that is working for the IS, and this is the revenue sheet for the particular company, and this is the executive summary of the cost or the direct. We can say that the another market drivers. So its number of SKUs are also there. These are the number of SKUs for the particular products is a PN Fit and the PN Essentials, Good Life Nutritions, Ketogen, Original Skill. Then we have the brand wise gross revenue. It's a PN Fit, Good Life Nutrition, Ketogen, and Original Skill. Then we have the financial highlight. What is the net revenue for that particular company? What is the direct cost and what is the gross profit for the particular item? Then we have the EBITDA number as a percentage of revenue. So these are the particular number for that. If we come into the next one, it's a IS, and then we have the BS. It's a balance sheet. Let's say this is the balance sheet number and how to project that on the basis of different parameters, and how to figure out this on the different items. Let me introduce that. So this is one, and then we have the charts for the financial model. So it's based on the revenue and EBITDA numbers, and it's another it's product based numbers, and then the another is basis of the different platforms and the selling of the different platforms for the different IMs. If we go into the BS drivers, so these are the BS drivers for that particular company. Let's say this is the equity, and this is the total principal payments. These are the short term borrowings, and this is salary payables, and these are depreciation, amortizations, etc. And this is the total share capital, inventory management, total account receivables, etc. Schedules are there, and these are the scenario selections for the particular model. On the basis of that, we can figure out the particular revenue. So it's a debt schedule, and cash available now order facilities are also there. On the basis of that, we can figure out the different numbers for the different particular areas. So this is about the financial model of the FNB. In the next video, we're going to discuss about the valuation and different schedule related to the company. Let's meet in the next video. If you like the video, you can subscribe the channel and hit the like button for the next video.